It's Vlogmas Day 15. Got done cleaning up. My son, my baby, is with his father. So I got a chance to clean up and stuff, and it looks very nice now. It don't look like a hot ruckus anymore, but I'm about to take off this wig, and I don't care how embarrassing life gets, I have to look cute. And if y'all have to see me with setting off braids for like a few minutes, that's fine. I'm going to be putting this over my head though, and I gotta take this off, put this over my head, and I'm gonna wash it real good so I can put it back on. Guys, I know how to put it back on the wig. So let's go ahead and take it off. Like, I already did a little bit, but ooh, like, I can't wait to freaking scratch this. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I don't care. No, I'm not going outside. Y'all got me messed up. Y'all really thought I was gonna... The only person that sees that is whoever I'm with. Ooh, I'm glad I got another cap. Let's clean this. I got this wig from Temu, y'all. Like, oh my God, I've been wanting to do this. Oh my God. Okay, let's just go and wash this wig.
A few moments later.
I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't gonna fake it. I fell asleep. Like, I had started vlogging, doing that part of Vlogmas 15. 11, because I thought I was gonna be done at like 2, but I fell straight asleep. So this is half of Vlogmas 15 and 16. So hope you guys enjoy. So right now I just woke up. Anyways, yeah, I just woke up. I'm gonna finish what I needed to do, and I'm gonna show y'all my critiques of it because I've been watching videos. Yeah, that's what happened. I laid in bed to make sure I still had it, and I looked up how to clean a lace and put it back on my head, and I fell asleep on it because I woke up and YouTube was on, and yeah. So fresh it up and eat a little something. Oh yeah. Okay, got the alcohol. I'll start with the alcohol to clean this. So I'm gonna do it later. Okay. Now that's done. That the rub, we're gonna do the same thing with the wig. Cause I know when I went to my cousin's house a few weeks ago, she was cleaning my lace, and I remember I get tips from her too. Clean the lace with some alcohol. Might take a few moments, but it's worth it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to clean it. So she actually said use dish soap and soak it with hot water, and it's gonna come off. So I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna see. I'm excited. Okay, y'all, I had did it. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, see, it's off now. I'm gonna wash it. Wash it real good. Put it on my head and blow dry it. And then get to the installment. I'm gonna show y'all that the dishwash, the Dawn soap took it off, and you gotta let it soak. That's what my cousin said, and it worked. See, all the glue is off. Can't really see it, but so now I'm going to brush it out, wash it. So now it's time to blow dry it. I'm gonna put it on my head and blow dry it, but I'm gonna take this off, do this, and put this on top. There we go. I'm gonna try to blow dry it like this. Okay, guys. Oh, the reason why the towel man, because I don't have a wig. I don't have a wig head to dry it. So I just put a towel over my head so it can dry. But yeah. It is dry. Let's put on that cap. This thing right here. Ooh. This so I can push back my edges. Now time to put the cap on. So I'm about to spray it down and then you know, color it. So I need to go get the color. Got my brush. Need to go get the color. I found the whole time it was in here. But look at my scrunchies. I don't got a lot, but my mom got some of mine, I think. But here it is. Oh, I do need to cut. So it don't come off. This thing is so freaking. That's why people be putting it over like that. Cause I remember I did mine install, I think this year. I cannot mess this up because I don't have no other cap. Let's do it. Try to spray a whole lot. Make sure this mug stick. I put that spray on twice and I blow dried it, and you gotta take your time. You have to take your time. That's what you take your time. If you rush, it's not gonna come out right. And it is dry. It's dry. Yeah, that mug dry. I am going to cut. Ooh. Cut this. Take your time, Deja. Okay, now that it's nice and cut, color it skin tone. And then we're also gonna do the same thing with the wig. Okay, I colored the cap, colored the wig. Now it's time to place it where I want it. I did it. So now I'm about to clean the this part of my face. I don't have a wig band, so I have to use a freaking, I like using scarves because they don't hold down as, you know, they don't really do the job for real. I think it's time to lay it down. Y'all think? Cause it's, oh yeah, that mug's sticking. Okay, let's go. We gotta take our time, guys. I'm not doing this no more. I'm done. This is, I did it the first time, it did good. I don't know where I went wrong. Like, oh my God. I know. Have to order another wig and get it reinstalled or get a new wig installed because I'm not doing it no more. See, I only fixed it because it was, you know, scrunchy up there, and my cousin says probably the wig too big or too small. I tried to do something. I made it worse. I should have just kept it on my head and just kept putting a little tie around. We're not doing it no more. Like, this wig's so pretty. I'm done. Okay, let me just wrap everything up because I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys for watching me play in my head. No, I'm not a hairstylist. I hope y'all enjoyed me messing up. I know the real hairstylist like, nope, she doing it all wrong. If you made it this far, trying to see how did the outcome look, I appreciate it. But I'm not doing it no more. Maybe I'm gonna do my real hair. I'll do my real hair, but no. Failed. I didn't enjoy it, so I can't say if you like this video because I hated it. I hated it so much. I hate what I just did. I wasted all day. I could have just okay. Thank you guys for watching me mess up doing my hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed me messing up. I hope you guys did. I'm over here struggling, thinking I'm knowing what I'm doing and I'm not. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little moment of me messing up. Stay tuned for more videos. None like this no more. I'm not doing this no more. I probably need to watch some more videos, practice my head, but I'm not playing in my head no more. If you're new, subscribe and click that bell to get notified when I upload another video. I'm so heartbroken that it didn't turn out right. So follow me on Instagram, Lil Day, 2 L's and 3 I's. Same on TikTok, Snapchat, Day24B. Everything will be in the description below. So check that out if you wanna stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.